In other news this morning, the high-profile confirmation hearings for Judge Amy Coney Barrett are set to begin today. Democrats plan to question her about the threat to the Affordable Care Act in the middle of a pandemic. ABC's Alex Perche has more on what to expect.
In her opening statement, Judge Amy Coney Barrett says she will follow the model of her mentor, Justice Antonin Scalia, saying he was fearless of criticism, and she's resolved to maintain that same perspective in the face of fierce opposition from Democrats.
We are going to focus on the issues that really explain her philosophy and what she will bring to the Supreme Court, what changes she'll make in this country.
They will make the case that in the middle of this pandemic, health care is on the line, with the court set to hear arguments on the Affordable Care Act and guaranteed coverage for pre-existing conditions. Barrett will say that deciding policy should be left to the elected branches of government, and that the public should not expect courts to do so, and courts should not try. Democrats are insisting on COVID-19 testing for members of the Judiciary Committee after two Republicans who attended Barrett's Rose Garden ceremony later tested positive for the virus. Republicans claim that's a stall tactic.
I think they are looking for anything to delay things even a day or two or three.
Can you think of any laws that give government the power to make decisions about the male body?
Expect Vice Presidential candidate Kamala Harris, appearing virtually, to be as tough on Barrett as she was on Justice Brett Kavanaugh.
I'll repeat the question. Can you think of any laws that give the government the power to make decisions about the male body?
I'm not thinking of any right now, Senator.
But the Biden-Harris campaign is facing questions of its own, with Joe Biden repeatedly refusing to answer if he supports packing the court.
They'll know my opinion of court packing when the election is over.
Well, sir, don't the voters deserve to know where you stand?
No, they don't. I'm not going to play his game.
A question he didn't have an issue answering in the primaries before the death of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg and Republicans pushed to confirm Barrett.
I would not get into court packing. We had 3 justices. Next time around, we lose control. They had 3 justices. We began to lose any credibility for the court has at all.
That was Alex Perche reporting. Now, polls show the majority of Americans are opposed to packing the court by adding more justices to the bench, while also showing that Americans disapprove of rushing this confirmation process.